My name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video, I'm going to make finding the intercepts and asymptotes of this equation super simple because we're going to use the Desmos graphing calculator. If you need the link, I'm going to put it in the description below. That way you can access it pretty easily. So let's take a look. With the Desmos graphing calculator, you can type your equation in right here in this line. Now, you're going to need to use parentheses for that numerator. So x minus 1 in parentheses, and then close it and divide. Now you're in the bottom of your fraction. So x to the second minus 9. You can see that the Desmos calculator has graphed it. Now we might want to zoom in just a little bit so we can see some features. I want you to see that we're looking for the intercepts, and if you just hover with your mouse over these values, you will get your intercepts. So it looks like we have an intercept at 1, 0. We also have one at 0, 0.111, which is a fraction, by the way, 1/9 there. Now I have this action going on here and here. It looks like there's like an imaginary line there. Those are our asymptotes that we're looking at. So you see that it looks like to be an asymptote at x equals -3 and another one at x equals 3. This is how functions behave around their asymptotes. Also, you'll notice there appears to be an imaginary line at the ends of this graph here. That's because it has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So let's put that all together. So you'll remember we had intercepts at 1, 0 and 0 and that 0.111, which remember that really is 1/9. You can use your calculator to check that. Then we had the asymptotes. So we saw how the function behaved around them. So we had asymptotes. We had two vertical ones. We had one at x equals 3 and x equals -3. And then we also had that horizontal one on the x-axis, which was y equals 0. You can read all of this from the graph. That's why I encourage you to use Desmos graphing calculator with this.